A cube has a volume of 64 inches cubed, or cubic inches, and what we're asked to find is the measure of one of its sides. So I did sketch this out just to make sure that we're clear. So keep in mind, we're not dividing by 3. We're trying to figure out what number times itself again would give me 64. So we're going to find the cubed root of each side. So remember, when we're finding the square root, you don't have to indicate the root. It has become the default that when you go like this, what you really mean is the square root. We just literally don't write that. But for anything else, we do indicate which root we're using. So in this case, we need to indicate the cubed, that we're using the cubic root, and so you have to put the 3 in there. On the left-hand side, taking the cubic root of x cubed gives us x. That's sort of the whole point. So that's good. And then on the right-hand side, we need to figure out what number times itself gives us 64. So as it turns out, right, so let's put that there. As it turns out, if we look at 64 and think about 4 times 4 times 4, that gives us 64. So that tells us that 64 is a perfect cube, and we could find the cubic root of it. And so we can say that the cubic root of 64 is 4. So in this problem then, it lets us say that the side length of the cube is 4 inches.